Today, video saws have evolved a lot from what they used to be. Today there are different types both professional woodworkers and deers can choose from. There are many products available to choose table saws, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best table saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Skil 10-inch portable job site table saw. Off-site table saws range from a few $100 close to $1,000. If you need one that performs really well, but your budget is pretty tight, then this Skil TS630700 might just be what you need. It features everything you need to tackle projects of various sizes on the job site, like quickly ripping large boards and making consistent repeat cuts. The fence it comes with is a rack and pinion fence, which is pretty easy to adjust when making cuts. It's fast and smooth. Adjusting the blade to be parallel to the fence is also pretty straightforward. In fact, you can make micro adjustments to ensure the cut is as accurate as possible. Supplying the power is a 15 AM motor with a no-load speed of 4600 RPM, allowing you to cut through different types of wood, both hardwood and softwood, with ease. What we like about it for the price, it's one of the best. Very accurate. Easy to adjust blade to be square with the fence or vice versa. For size, it's also very powerful. Cuts through different types of wood with ease. Build quality is good. Number 2. SawStop Contractor Table Saw. SawStop prides their table saws as the safest in the market. This they have demonstrated several times using hot dogs in place of real fingers. Unlike other table saws, which will continue running if your body comes in contact with the blade, SawStop saws will stop running within milliseconds. An inbuilt saw brake will cause the blade to stop instantly and recede under the table, preventing any injury that might have occurred, assuming it were another type of saw. This is a really useful feature, considering the number of table saw injury that occur every year, as a result of inadequate safety features, equipment, instructions and improper handling of the machine. What I like about it, very detailed assembly instruction. SawStop safety feature ensures you can use the saw with added peace of mind. It is a contractor saw, hence it's suitable for both workshop and job site use. 0.4 HP motor makes it very easy to cut through hard lumber. Solid construction, with durable cast iron components. Features a very accurate T-glide fence. Where it can be improved, safety mechanism can sometimes be triggered if the wood is very. Number 3. Bosch Gravity Rise Job Site Table Saw. Apart from the other bells and whistles, that makes the Bosch 4100 XC10 one of the best job site table saws out there. The easy-to-use gravity rise stand that comes with it is one special accessory that draws pro consumers to. The gravity rise stand is very easy to use. Setup requires just one step, and overall, it makes the table saw very portable with a wheel that makes moving it on the job site very simple. Equipped with a 15 amp 4.0 HP motor, producing a max speed of 3650 RPM, the Bosch 4100 XC10 is capable of cutting through any wood stock you throw at it. What I like about it includes a gravity rise stand, which makes it very portable. Power is not lacking. The square lock fence is easy to use, and accurate ride out. Number 4. Dual Flexel DCS 7485B Portable Table Saw. Dual's Flexel technology is no longer new, but it's the type of tech that made this type of saw possible. The Flexel battery is capable of changing between different voltages, powering 60 volts and 20 volts max tools, depending on the type of tool you plug it on. This Dual DCS 7485B is a 60 volts portable table saw. And although it does not come equipped with the battery and charger, they're sold separate. You get a fully capable tool that operates on the 60 volts battery, but can also be powered through cord by plugging it into a power outlet. What I like about it, it's very portable. It is quite, compared to similar saws of same size and range. Budget friendly. Flexible. You can use it with battery and also plug it into a power outlet. It is easy to set up. Where it can be improved, it doesn't come with a stand. It's quite tricky to switch on. When released quickly, then tension in the red flap tends to turn off the saw again. Number 5. SawStop PCS 31230 TGP 252 Pro Cabinet Table Saw. SawStop table saws are sought after because they have a special safety feature, which prevents the blade from causing serious injury to the operator when the skin accidentally come in contact with the blade. Every SawStop table saw comes equipped with a blade brake, which retracts the blade under the saw table in less than 5 milliseconds when it comes in contact with the operator's skin. The SawStop PCS 31230 TGP 252 is a cabinet table saw which not only has that feature, but also comes equipped with other important features that makes it one of the best for professional woodworkers. What I like about it is probably the safest table saw in the world, equipped with every feature to make sure you don't sustain any injury while operating it. It is well built with heavy-duty parts. The trunnion and arbor assembly are one of the heaviest, making it very stable and precise. The glide fence and rail stays accurate for a very long time. Once it's set up, it doesn't lack in power. Cuts everything you throw at it. It's not noisy like a job site unit. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier.